Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain ANGI Home Service app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick review, ANGI Home Service is an app designed to connect you with local pros like electrician, plumbers, landscaper, and cleaner quickly and easily. It lets you search for services, check reviews, get upfront pricing, and a book pros directly from your mobile phone. Many people like it for its convenient booking process and the large pools of service provided it offers. But it's not perfect. Some people say the service can be unreliable, with pros not showing up, pricing changing in last minute, or hidden fee. There are reports of poor communication and difficulties getting a resolution when something goes wrong. So while Hangi can be helpful way to find help quickly, it can be a bit of a gamble. Sometimes you can get a great services from the platform, and sometimes you may be left frustrated. And that's it.